Happy hump day, everybody. Hope you're having a good one. Certainly a nice day out there right now. We've got clear skies, although they don't look like the clearest of skies, and we've been talking about that quite a bit. The wildfire smoke causing quite a bit of haze here on our Richmond Preserve camera. We'll bring it back here into downtown Providence right now. You can see very, very evident, although you are going to start to actually see clouds beginning to increase from this direction. We have a cold front that's say about 50 to 100 miles away right now, and it's going to be with us over the next couple of hours. 63 degrees here in Providence, winds south at 14. The south winds have just been killing the temperatures today. It's a chilly 57 in Newport, but you go further inland, places like Taunton and over towards Killingly, 70s is what you're reading, and that's just right now. Earlier, say about 2 hours ago, when we hit our max heating of the day, we saw some of those temperatures getting a little bit more firmly in the 70s, even down here in Providence, although it has cooled off a little bit over the last hour or two. You can see, look at all the arrows. They're coming right out of the south, that wind off the Atlantic Ocean, and certainly keeping things on the chilly side. Winds are going to start to shift to the southwest ahead of this front, and you can see it again. It's already right out along 90 towards Springfield, getting into the I-91 corridor, and that's moving fairly progressively, and it's going to be a very small window of time where we have that opportunity for showers. So again, we're talking full sunshine out there right now. You would not think there's a cold front barreling down on us, but here it comes. 5:30, 6:30, 7:30. It is now here in Providence, still dry, and maybe even seeing a nice sunset out towards the Cape behind these clouds as they approach. So you might not get rain out there till say about 9, 10 o'clock or so, but the front's really losing steam as the sun goes down. You saw some of those radar returns here on Futurecast, the yellow and orange pockets indicating some heavier rainfall, and also maybe even a rumble of thunder in there along this front, but it just really loses the juice as we head towards, say, the midnight hour. It's out of here at that point really anyway, and skies begin to clear into Thursday morning. Now, what that cold front is also going to do, it's going to clean that wildfire smoke out of the air, and it does look like a little bit thicker of smoke today and a little bit more hazy of a sky as a result, because this cold front's kind of just funneling it up like a squeegee, just gathering it together and eventually pushing it out of here. And look at it. Look at how clear the sky has become as we head into tomorrow and Friday, and that high pressure builds in. And it's a very strong dome of high pressure, which really, I mean, the trends, as we looked at them, say, on Sunday, they weren't looking so hot, and it looked like that high was going to be not as strong and maybe stay a little bit further off to the north and east. But right now, it is firmly entrenched right over New England, and look at how it just keeps that developing coastal low over the Carolinas over the next few days. Look how it just keeps it down at bay and keeps us mostly sunny right on into the weekend. If you're looking to go down to the shore points this weekend, of course, it will be a little bit cooler, but if you want the warmest of the bunch, that's going to be on Monday, where we should see our warmest day of the 3-day weekend. But all in all, can't really complain about this time of year. Now, the cool temperatures down by the water can be a little deceiving, and you may not think you need the same amount of protection that you would, say, in the dog days of summer, but you certainly do. That sun angle right now about as strong as it is in the middle of summer, July 20th. It doesn't get much higher than this, so you have to take extreme sun precautions this time of year if you're going to be out and about, not only this weekend, but say for the rest of the month of May. Really quiet 7-day forecast here, Tiffany. Not much rain to talk about except the showers coming through tonight. They're not going to amount to a whole lot anyway, but they're out of here, and then we are high and dry through Memorial Day weekend and into the final days of May.